Have you ever wondered why we yawn? And why is it so contagious? Well, it's a brain-controlled reflex triggered when we see someone else yawn. Researchers think it might be linked to empathy and social bonding. Interestingly, humans aren't the only ones affected. Animals like dogs and chimps can also catch yawns from others. Scientists are exploring if contagious yawning serves an evolutionary purpose. When you yawn after someone else, it's your brain's way of connecting with them. Despite ongoing research, the exact reason behind contagious yawning remains a mystery. So, the next time you find yourself yawning after someone else, know that it's just your brain trying to connect